Okay, here it is. Showed up yesterday. 65 Thunderbird Convertible. This is how I got her, received her. It snowed out last night, so she's got snow on it. It's April 2nd, 2019. So this is the bird. Just wanted to do a quick video. I got some tire issues, obviously, a lot of issues. Do a quick video of it. Show how she showed up. There's a lot of rust on her. She's rusty in a lot of places, but mainly from the doors back is the rust. This car was originally Wimbledon white. You can see a little bit there. It's been painted a few times. I counted at least 4 times, including the Wimbledon white. It was blue, gold, and red, and Wimbledon white on the very bottom. So she's rough, there's no doubt about it. But it is a 65 convertible with a 390 4-barrel. I believe that's all they had in them at that time. She would have been white with a white top and white leather interior. With power windows. Not the little vent windows weren't power, but the main windows were power. Power driver's seat, and of course power top and all that stuff. So, like I say, she's rough, but it's pretty much all here, which is nice. It's a complete car. Windshield's broken, doesn't need to be replaced. Some rust in a couple, like I said earlier, various places. But then again, you know, looking at it, main rust is ahead or behind the doors, so in the rear end of it. So that's kind of nice. I'll pull the hood open here. If I can get it open with one hand. Find the latch there. And I can push down on it. Alright, just bear with me. Okay, I'm going to pause this and open the hood up. Okay, back again. And the hood's up. It works pretty well. And you can see under the hood it was Wimbledon white on the hood. So the hood is original. There's some issues right here where these braces go in. Somebody had done some work. And there's some rust again on that side. But other than that, it seems to be good. And there's the 390 4-barrel. It seems to be intact. The carburetor seized, the engine seized. Everything's on it though. So this would have been an FE model engine. So I'm going to get some diesel and put in it and try to free the engine up. So it hasn't been really barbarized or bastardized, however we want to put it. It looks like they may have changed the alternator. I don't know if that's an original type of alternator. It's definitely been replaced. It's definitely a rebuild, but I thought these ones might have had a larger, older style, so it may have been upgraded. The harnesses are all there. Yeah, so that's the... Oh yeah, you can see up in here one of the colors. It may have been like a dark blue of some sort. And then there's the red. And I find some gold here somewhere. Anyway, go right down around the light lenses with some gold. So underneath all that is Wimbledon white. And you can see the white right there. And then there's some white in the wheel well area. So it's a project, there's no doubt about it. Who knows what you'll find when you start. There's always something extra. Anyway, I just thought I'd do a little quick video on this to make sure, or just for my own records mostly, of how I got it, how I received the car. She's low, every tire is flat, some tires are destroyed. See if I can open up the rear hatch, so just give me a second here. I'll pause and come back. Okay, back again. So here's the rear open. They actually went in and they painted that gold, but you can see the white. So the rear lid is the original. Inside the trunk, well, mainly it's roof storage area, not trunk, but anyway. The area in here isn't bad. It looks bad, but as far as rust, it's mainly on the outer parts of the trunk. There's a whole bunch of parts in here I didn't even notice before. So one thing that was important to me were that these these cylinders that you see laying down there, one over there, and they're not perfect, they need to be rebuilt, but all this stuff is all intact. It doesn't seem to be destroyed, or the wiring's all there, so at least you have a fighting chance of getting it done. The actuators, hydraulic cylinders, actuators, whatever you want to call them, for the roof is all there. So that's a bonus, because to buy all that stuff to redo this convertible top would be a lot of added expense. But it's there. It's been unhooked, but it's there. So there she is. She's rough. All right. Thanks.